Okay, some of you have asked me to help you find the odd number. So I'm gonna come down here, I logged into Portal, I'm in my Blackboard. I'm gonna go down here to 1303, pick one of our classes in student preview. Okay, so this is what we should be seeing. We start off with start here. I'm gonna go over here to course content. There's a video on watching how to link this, but basically you're going to click this chapter 1 practice, and it's going to take us over to connect, where you're going to sign in to join this class. And if you have a connect account, it'll link it over to our class. If you don't, then you can sign in. So I'm already in this class. I'm going to go ahead and hit sign in, and it takes me right to connect where I can sign in. All right. Only students with access can sign in here. Okay. I guess it's because I was in student preview. Oh, yeah. It's trying to send me in as a preview student. So, gave me a little trouble. No problem. I'm going to go back to Blackboard. So, it's back to registration. You can register and do all that. After you do that, a lot of people are getting stuck on the chapter 1 practice. So let me exit student preview. Hey, it's a test of the emergency broadcast system. All right, course content. Chapter 1 practice. It tells me some of us have made it. All right. Now this took me right into our class. And hopefully once we're in here, we can see our books. All right, so if you make it into our chapter 1 practice and get out of it, either remember it's practice. If you fail it, it's no big deal, 0 points. Then you can come into our practice there, and if you, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out of all that. I'm going to actually close all that and go back to Blackboard. Go back to our 130302 for this semester. Now, under course content, after I did all the registration, I'm going to hit this direct link right here. And it's going to put me in a place I can sign in. So once you sign in, then once you've registered, you should see your class. All right. And so when I go to our class, I have access to the ebooks. Now there's a smart book and a regular book. I'm going to go to the regular. Makes things a little easier to show. And start off at the beginning. All right, and I want to go to the odd number questions. So I'm going to come down here and go to the end of chapter 1. After the summary, it says questions and problems. And these are the odd number ones that we're looking at. So what we required to estimate the total cost of gasoline to drive from New York City to Washington, D.C. We'll need miles per gallon of the car, how far it is, and how much gas costs on average. And the cost per gallon, the average miles per gallon, and the distance. There we go. And so, doesn't cost you any points to get it wrong. It's going to give you the answer. And so, really helpful on when we come down on some of these where we are doing some rounding or doing some calculations. And so it's good practice. You just click here to get the answer. Hopefully this video helps a little bit. If not, please shoot me an email and we'll try and get you worked out.